Bentley and Breitling have a very long history together.
We've put a lot of energy into the relationship and we've done some fantastic innovative things. There are 4 particular innovations that stick out in my mind. We started out with Breitling back in 2002 actually, when we ran our Le Mans program.
Checkered flag is dropped for Bentley's historic win at Le Mans.
A celebratory watch of just 1,000 pieces, 24 Heures de Mans, was made for that particular event. The clock in the Continental GT. The GT for us was the breakthrough product for the Bentley brand, and Breitling were right there with us in the middle of the dashboard as we launched that car. We also did the most successful Mulliner edition that Bentley has ever done, the Breitling Jet edition.
Every detail reflected the key values of Bentley. The choice of partnering with Bentley was obvious.
And the most valuable thing that we've ever put into a car, apart from the car itself, is the Bentley Breitling Tourbillon, which was offered in the Bentayga.
These products illustrate the performance of Bentley, the luxury, the beauty of the cars, but also in a way the intimate relationship between Bentley and Breitling.